Our client walks into a chiropractor's office, has a manipulation done on his low back that herniates a disc. He was badly injured. And farmers took the position that because it was a medical malpractice case and that it occurred during the provision of professional services, that something known as the professional services exclusion applied, and therefore there's no defense, no coverage, because the incident occurred during the provision of professional services. But there's a hitch. In this case, it was an independent contractor who was providing the professional services. It was not the actual insured.
Once it was established that there was no insurance, we really didn't have any choice but to proceed with taking Michael's personal injury case through trial, getting a verdict from the trial judge, and then getting the rights assigned to us by the defendants, and then filing a subsequent bad faith case standing in the shoes of those defendants in order to try to collect the judgment.
And then we faced a motion for summary judgment against farmers, and the appellate court overturned the MSJ and said there very well might be a duty to defend when the insured is not the one providing the professional services, but rather an independent contractor is.
The insurance bad faith attorney was a very good attorney. And so I would read a brief and be like, well, he made a really compelling argument there. And then, but once you started sort of peeling back the layers of the onion, you could see where they just got it wrong. And as much as they tried to put the lipstick on a pig, we just kept wiping the lipstick off and exposing their arguments for the pig that it was. And it was that perseverance that really, really makes me proud, not just of my firm, but to be a trial lawyer.
I was always taught by my partner and mentor, Wiley Aiken, that if you think about the client, a lot of good things happen. And that kept us going in this case. This client, such a nice guy, such a good guy, such a patient guy, and he'd been so badly harmed. You just wanted to help if you could. And sure, it was a shot in the dark when it started, but ended up paying off.